Look at that!
They're not real.
Nakita mo ba yan? Wow!
Can you sit down in your seat, please?
Where are we going? Where are we going, guys? Picking what? Apple. KK, where are we going, KK? Picking what?
Apple.
Apple. You pick. Picking apples. 1, 3. We're gonna try the plum.
So here's a real plum. This plum is good. Hey, can I open it now? Yeah, can I open that now?
Parang ano? Lasang...
Grapes. Grapes na matabang.
Sarap ka nan.
Hey guys, come on. Let me see. Are the ones that you put in the bag? Okay.
Is this one?
Tama na to?
You know what's
Ha? Kukuha pa tayo.
Kuha pa. Kunti.
Ikaw kumuha. Pumili ka.
Malambot-lambot.
Ito marami. Can you hold this?
These ones
I'm gonna grab some from the top.
Wait, Daddy's gonna get the big one.
up there.
Yeah. Up there.
Sarap naman siya.
That's so you couldn't fall out.
Oh, meron man na lambot.
Yeah.
Palitan mo yung nasa bag.
We keep getting some rifles.
Yeah, you have to pick the right one.
Drop it to me. Dad, drop
No.
it to me.
Open the bag. Kuya. There.
Konti lang di ha.
Okay, there's more. There. Parang masarap yung malambot.
Yeah, malambot na masarap.
Hindi mo pinalitan yung nasa bag.
Caleb, down.
We are getting lots of blood so far.
Yeah.
Not too much, Daddy.
Not too much bombs.
Hey, go down.
Down, Caleb.
Hey, can I catch some now? Yeah, you
Okay,
can.
it's Kuya's turn.
Dad, remember, aim on us, on the
Okay, let's
bus.
take a minute.
Aim on the... I'm gonna get some cornbread.
Yeah.
Okay,
Come here, Ethan.
let's go look for some other fruits.
Wait,
Ethan.
apple!
You have to pick the soft one, KK.
It feels soft.
Really?
What does this one do?
Oh, it's hard.
S, B, C.
It's okay, leave it there.
This is a plum.
Dina, no.
It's hard.
You're wasting it.
But it's hard.
Come on, let's go. Ethan, that's enough. I'm gonna go pick some other fruits.
I just want to read this. Let's take raspberries.
Ito, laki oh. Lah.
You can take raspberries. And the last one is raspberries. Raspberries are good, but small. They're okay to eat. It's like orchids that you can eat. Right, Dad? Dad, raspberries
Just one like this.
Yeah, that's good.
That's cool.
This one. Oh yeah, pick that one.
It's a baby.
Pick this one. This one.
The
Yeah.
Mommy, it's a baby.
Okay. Give it to dad.
It's a baby. It's a baby. It's a baby.
Okay. But don't.
You just have to look, find it.
Okay, go pick.
Baby.
Mhm.
Okay.
Dad. It's a little teeny tiny.
KK, don't pick that.
It's a baby.
I'm gonna tell you which one. Which one.
Only the red one.
You have to
Sige,
open
keep
the
walking.
bushes.
Oh my
Just
God,
saying,
this
look.
is a big one.
KK.
You have to like look inside.
This is a big one. I
Okay,
found it.
not that tomato.
Ay, did you pick that? Don't pick.
Only this tomato.
Only this side. This side. Go.
Do we need to find the red one? Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Dylan.
That one. Do we need to pick the red one? Do we need to pick the red?
That's a different tomato.
This one. I like it for ano. KK, don't just.
Dad, can I go your
Don't
side?
just pick. Don't.
Kasi kapag binili mo
It's
yung red
ready.
No, no. I said this side. This side. Okay? This side.
Mom.
here, you can come this way now.
You hold it. I'm gonna pick.
Hey, wait for us, guys.
Here, daddy.
Ayun, no. May kita ko dun dalawa.
Mom.
Hey, don't step on the tomatoes. Look where you're stepping.
KK, no, don't just. I need to tell you which one.
This one ready?
Oh, no, not yet.
I like to find the baby.
This one, Ethan, look.
Mom,
So,
is that
look,
one ready?
Okay,
Is that one ready? I want to pick it. I want to pick it. You both picked it.
Okay, put it in the bag.
Yeah, ready.
This one too. Okay, that's it.
That's it.
enough.
Yeah, ready.
Follow me, guys.
Go to that.
For some reason, I call it
Watch
egg.
where you're stepping. Oh, don't step on the tomato.
We're picking tomato. Ang tawag dito, daddy, makinig.
They're thorny.
Sige, touch it. Sige, this one, oh.
Pull it.
What?
There.
Huwag mo nga yan.
Oh, careful of the
Ila,
plant.
wait,
They're
wait lang, ha?
thorny,
Looks like I can pick some stuff with. Is this one ready?
Dadere agad oh.
Looks like we need to stop them.
Let me see. May baong asin. Walang hindi bibili. Mga ngain lang. Lugi. Lugi din sa mga to.
Harap.
Show it to the camera. Where's your raspberry?
Raspberry.
Oh, eat it. Eat it nga, Caleb. Eat it.
Ayaw.
How about you?
Sira naman to eh.
I want to try some. Yeah, me too.
Raspberry. I don't like it. Hindi ko siya gusto yung lasa dahil. Apple. I don't like raspberry.
So we need one.
This is the raspberry. Hindi ko siya type. Scat cucumber.
It's a cucumber thing?
I think so.
Tiny. It's a baby. Yes.
It's not.
It's okay.
Apat tayo. Wait. Anuin ko lang. Okay. Let's go in the middle. Ipapesto ko lang dito. Magandang
Ayan na,
kulay.
dito pa ako mo dyan.
Pwede ba? Ano siya eh? Punta mo nga sa gitna. In the middle.
You don't need to go in the middle.
Video mo lang ha. Kaya ako kakat ko mo. Try mo nga yung mas malapit. The other one. Yan, mas maganda. Mas maganda sa kanila. Video.
Okay.
Yan, okay.
Okay, let's go. Guys.
Ito gitna, di ba?
Oh, yeah.
Come here guys, come here. Hold daddy's hand. Dito ka, dito para ano, tagi-tagi sa mga. Here. Okay guys, here. Like this, daddy. Hold KK's hand. Hold KK's hand, please. Like this. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, one more. Jump, okay? Jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. Okay, run. Capture na yan. Hey. Let's go, baby.
Are you?
Wow.
I'm looking for a butterfly and I want to catch it.
Woo. It's a butterfly. KK, there's a butterfly. Look at the butterfly. Yan na. Macintosh apple. And this one is early Jonathan. This one is gala. Ano ba masarap na apple? Not ripe. This one is not ripe. Gala. Ginger gold. Tikman muna natin. Oh, pulang pula ang Japanese rose. Oh. Japanese rose. Japanese rose apple. Try first. No, not that.
Is this one? I want ginger gold.
Japanese rose. Parang ang sarap nitong ano di. Japanese rose. Tikman mo muna. This is the ano nga to di?
Ginger gold.
Ginger gold. You wanna try one ginger gold? So
Really? I got it!
Ooh.
Let me see.
Yeah, it's color yellow.
I think it's over.
Bite
Oh,
it.
yeah. Okay. Grab that one.
Grab that.
There isa.
Okay, so.
Good job. Give it to
Okay,
mommy's bag.
it's KK's turn.
Yep, it's good. Yep, it's good.
It's KK's turn.
No, hold on. He's still eating.
Yeah, kuya, you should try.
I don't know.
Eh? KK, come here.
Now, Tilan,
Ethan.
you have to try it. Ayaw.
Daming apple.
Okay, that one.
Daddy, take a picture dyan.
Hang on.
Diyan o para may ano.
Dad, can I,
Oh no, mosquito!
Dad, can I
Ano ba maganda ang light?
Dylan.
Triple tap!
1, 2, 3.
Okay, stay there. Ethan, look at mom. Smile. Smile. Caleb, look at mommy, please. Look at KK, smile. Smile. Okay.
Whoa.
Oh, don't get it na.
Where's that?
You wanna try it?
Where did that go?
I don't know. Iniwan na tayo ni daddy.
What? Here he is. Dad!
Ang dami. Oh. Apple.
Hold it.
Tama na. Baka tayo, ano na.
Ano?
Kukuha pa ng ibang...
Kukuha ka pa ba ng ibang variety?
Hindi, titikman natin. Tama na muna to. Hindi mo na ako pinapitas, ha?
Busog kasi.
Papitasin mo naman ako na isa. Let's see. Let me see. This one is ready na.
I think so.
Uy.
Right?
No?
Ay.
Ito yung masarap eh.
Say, take it, cat.
Hey, don't play with it guys. Busog na.
Daddy, lalaki na lang mo yung sana.
Eh, syempre. Kaya nga titingnan mo. Kaya sabi ko sa'yo, piliin mo yung medyo hilaw-hilaw pa kasi may hindi yan.
Are, hello pa, oh.
Oh my God, golden.
Golden.
Like this.
Golden.
Oh, you wanna try it?
Golden. Ginger. Apple.
Are they allowed to?
Is it good, KK? Yeah, so yummy.
Yeah, kaya nga, kukuha ka pa ba ng ibang...
Just try. Just try.
Parang mas masarap to, mas kakainin nila to. Kaya ganito na lang yung kunin natin.
So good.
Take it, you sweet him. I'm doing free ham.
Wait, what?
Nothing.
Bye. You have to try. Ay, daddy, oh. Yung anak mo. Ayaw mag-try.
Free ham.
Dapat hindi yung masyadong malalaki.
Tanggalin mo iba. Yung may tama.
Sayang eh.
Eh, pinayaran mo yun.
Ha?
Babayaran mo yan. Siyempre pipili ka ng ano.
Sarap nito ang lutong.
Hmm?
Madali na, pagpiliin mo. Over there, Dylan. Go over there. Sit down there. Dapat yung mga...
And smile. Dilan. Yeah. Masaya asin natin para masaya may asin. Hanggang try mo lang. Pero ang tamis, no?
Yeah. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-asin, no? Yan, apat daw.
Hello? Dino.
What are you doing? Hi, Bob. Is that salt? 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 Why do you eat like that?
kami. Nagmukbang. Parang mas masarap yung hilaw pa. Mahab siyang lagyan ng alamang.
Kukuha ka pa ba ng ibang variety? Mas gusto ko to. Tawag-tawag sa akin kanina.
Is this one right?
Diba?
That's too small.
Is this one right?
Ilan ka lang sa... Ang sipa niya ito.
I'm talking about this one. Is this one right? Hi.
Okay.
Video ha?
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Japanese rose. Kasi mas maganda magpicture dito, di o pulang-pula oh. Dylan, go. Try one. Ito oh, bababa oh.
Easy.
This is a Japanese rose apple. Let's try this.
How you do it easy.
Ah. Try this one, try mo rin. Malay mo, masarap. This one, it's very red oh. Ooh.
Fresh.
Let me see. Is it good? Up din siya. Yung isa kasi, para siyang hindi siya crunchy masyado. Ayan, mas crunchy. You wanna get this also? Para di ba?
Bring the bag. Okay lang. Pabawasan ko ng konti.
Yeah. Kasi masarap din yan, maliliit at least.
Huwag natin kunin yung malalaking isa.
Yeah. Ganda. Kiki, come here, Kiki. 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 Hello. I will tell you which one to pick, okay?
You see those both apples out right there?
The red one. We need to get the very red apple. This one is good. Put it on our plastic.
Give me a glass. So it's not in your bag. Don't drop it.
Sorry.
Don't drop the apples. You're gonna bruise it. Give me a glass. Yeah. When you pick an apple, set it down the bag.
Ang ganda ng niya oh. Para siyang magkakambal, daddy. Ooh. Oh, Kiki ah.
This is all of the cane.
Put it there. But don't drop it ha. Just put it slowly.
Mommy, do you see the two apples behind you?
Where? Yeah.
Those apples on here? Or should we use one for
Ay, ito pulang-pula. This one oh. It's KK's turn after.
Wait. Okay, put your foot on the tree. Put your foot on the tree. Okay, then grab it. Grab the apple. Hindi naman pulang-pula eh.
Which one? I wish I had one like that. This one?
KK, are pulang-pula. Are. Yeah, yun.
Okay. You see this one? You're gonna pick that one.
I'll reach
Hold
it.
my apple. Hold it.
I'm holding.
Hold it, my apple.
Ba't kalbo ka? Ba't hindi?
Mainit eh.
Wow, yung picture na eh.
Oh, which one?
Choose it.
This one?
Hindi,
This one.
no, that one, the other one.
This one.
Wow. It's so yummy, kuya.
Where's the bag?
There. Okay, put it on the bag. But don't drop it. Sige.
That is so hard.
You know, you just keep and try. Doon pa tumano sa... Sige.
Too hard.
Parang matanggal yung ano mo. eh. Sige.
Ang laki-laki ng ipin mo ang gamitin. Kita-kita ho. Hindi makakiyat.
This one. Dan ba yan? May dalang ano. Okay na.
Okay. Kala niyo umakyat oh.
Panira eh.
Umakyat. Umakyat ng hanggang tuhod.
Panira ka. Baby. Here, sa gitna. Dito. Ah, kuya. Broken na? Okay, come on.
I'm not sure who's gonna eat which is broken teeth.
Why?
Dad, I'm just too tired of standing. I'm just really tired.
Okay then.
Oh, come on.
Okay, look at the camera. 1, 2, smile. Okay.
But this is how you. That was how you take. No, I was gonna swing, and that was how you take it out easily. That's. There's one right over here.
Where? Which one? But you have to look, baby. No, it's not.
Do you see those 3 apples?
Over here.
Do you see the 4 apples?
Huh?
I'm done with my apple. I'm done with my apple.
Ethan. I'm gonna pick
Why did
this.
you just hit my head on the...
Apple, apple.
I'll show you how to...
This one, this big. I'm gonna reach it. I'm gonna reach it. Oh.
Like that. But,
Here, here.
but mommy, can I show you how do you get an apple easily? You just need some So you got it.
Have to find the red one.
Found one.
Ethan, so red. Here, baby, put it in our plastic bag. Ethan,
Ooh, that one's pretty rich, but I'll just keep putting up on traffic.
apple. Ethan, let's go. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Smile. Okay.
I was like this. I was like trying to eat that.
Okay, are you done?
Bye, apple trees.
Was a fun day today.
Yeah.
Oh, I found one.
pangit.
Yeah.
Kasi ang baba ng puno.
Naman. Tino! Daddy, tino mo! Tino! I'll get this. Malambot to. Tino mo, hawakan mo. Hindi ito. Kahit ilang peraso pang ano lang. Oh, sige, sige. Get this, Ethan. Ethan. Pick that, pick. Pick it here, here. Oh, here. Sige, no, oh. You can't? It's hard like here, oh.
Oh, like that.
Hold
Can
it.
I pick one?
Okay, I'm gonna choose.
Here's one.
Kuya, this, ah. Kuya, here. Kuya, here. Pick this. Yeah, this one. They put it here. Pick here. Oh, did you see that? You have to take out from there.
Can you hold this, Mom? Hold this. It's
Look at
because
the
I
talong,
need
oh.
it.
Can you do it? Can you do it? Huh? There. Okay. Show mommy.
Does this thing have
Show
an
mommy.
arm or something?
Yeah. Let me see. Oh, we have two. We have two eggplant. We didn't bring our ano. Where's daddy's there? Hey, don't just pick Ethan. That is too small. I told you. Wala. Hindi natin talaga. Tama na yan. Let's go. That's enough. We have a bell pepper. Okay. Bell pepper. Ay, zucchini ito. Where's the cucumber? Here is the cucumber. Pickles. Cucumber. It's the cucumber. Ay, ang pangit.